My name's Taylor Quayle, and this is a 2015 Coachmen Prism 24J, and we're going to give it a quick tour. Well, hello and welcome back to another RV walkthrough. As always, my name's Taylor Quayle. We're here at Padada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona. And today we're going to give this 2015 Coachmen Prism a quick little look. Y'all may not have time for my longer form video, so we're going to go quickly through this one and not spend as much detail. First up, 25 foot long, you got an outdoor entertainment center here, 20-gallon propane tank, 6-gallon water heater, big old furnace, two-door fridge, Euro style fridge. Nice big exterior storage out here with double access. 3,500 pound tow hitch. It does have a solar panel up top, and there is a backup camera and side vision camera. 30 amp power cord, dump station, outdoor shower. We got a little bit of storage right there. 3600 LP generator by Cummins Onan. Side vision cameras, 3500 chassis from Sprinter. And look at that, that was quick. Let's jump inside. Full length awning right here is electric. Does have Asdel sidewalls. All your connections right here on the left, right when you walk in. Batteries down below. Front swivel leather seats. Just over 70,000 miles on that turbo diesel. Has a good little startup. There it is. Not a full-on Class C because there is no bunk over here. You have a little window and some storage. Single slide goes from there all the way down right to about right there. Houses your U-shaped dinette with some storage down below. And of course your closet. One of the smaller vanities you'll see in an RV with a medicine cabinet and a corner bathroom. Porcelain toilet, 18 by 24 inch shower pan. It looks to be. We do have a corner bed right here. Smaller than a queen, bigger than a full. Good luck trying to put some sheets on it. Good amount of storage. Little baby TV for the bedroom. Euro style fridge and freezer. That's what I meant by two-door right there. We'll run off the propane. Convection microwave. 2-burner gas stove top. Nice big dual base sink with an extension on the faucet. We are selling it for $68,000. I'll put all my contact info on the screen and in the description box. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and reach out. Thanks for watching.